Welcome. If you've been getting those constant Instagram reminder notifications popping up on your lock screen, it can get pretty annoying. Whether it's telling you about reels, stories, or posts you might have missed, these reminders tend to clutter your phone. The good news is you can easily turn them off right from your phone settings. Let's go through the steps together so you can finally enjoy some peace and quiet. First, start by opening your phone settings. This is where you can manage permissions, notifications, and every detail about your apps. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on apps. This will open a full list of every app installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list and tap on Instagram. This takes you to all the settings specific to your Instagram app. Inside, you'll want to look for the option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a section called Notification Categories. This is where Instagram divides different types of alerts like direct messages, comments, and reminders. To manage those persistent alerts, find and tap on Reminders. Once you're inside the Reminders section, look for Lock Screen. This setting controls whether those notifications appear when your phone is locked. Tap on Lock Screen and then select Don't Show Notification. And that's it. You've officially turned off Instagram reminder notifications from appearing on your lock screen. No more distractions when you're trying to focus, rest, or just take a break from your phone. The change takes effect immediately, so the next time Instagram thinks you need a reminder, you won't even see it. If you ever miss the updates and want them back, you can follow these same steps and just switch the setting back to show notifications again. But for now, enjoy having a little more control over your screen and your attention. Thanks for watching.